wanted to let you guys know, Prash and I'm going to talk about a few subjects, especially around master data management. And we were going to talk about customer
360, a lot of things.
Suppliers 360, and product 360. Prash, let me ask you,
Yeah.
you know, now we understand customer, now we understand supplier.
Yeah.
Let's talk about product. I mean, think about it. Here's my question. Can I take the supplier catalog that's you've acquired in the supplier chain and make that available for internal catalogs for people to procure and access?
Absolutely, yeah.
Really?
That's the whole idea behind Supplier 360. And also, let me introduce you the Product 360.
No way. All right, hold on. We got Customer 360. Now we got Supplier 360.
It's all about
Now we got our Product 360. Okay, tell me about this.
So the Product 360 is basically an application which is built again on top of our Informatica MDM platform.
Okay.
Right? So same way as Supplier 360, same way as Customer 360.
So I don't have to buy new apps or new environments or...
You don't want to do that because now yes, I mean traditionally companies have done that because they had a separate PIM system, separate MDM system managing customer data, and then they were spending like years in just making those two work together or talk to each other, right? I can give you very good examples of some vendors who do that still, but let me stick to Informatica.
Okay, all right. No.
So,
I'm sure, because I'm sure we've been involved with those.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we both were there. So the Informatica platform provides you that one single platform which has the business process management, data quality capabilities, data integration capabilities. So you always have moving data, right? With respect to what type of data you're managing. All those capabilities, including the UI, user interface, the Entity 360 is a framework we built on top of this platform, which allows you to do amazing things. We are showing some of those demos here.
Oh, cool! Yeah, right? Here at the booth. So yeah, that's a nice thing.
So all those capabilities are built into that platform. Now we have these apps which sit on top of that platform to provide, capabilities for you to manage certain type of data, and Product 360 is one of them.
Well, okay,
right?
so here's my scenario. I work in manufacturing, oil and gas, and things like that. What comes up is, all right, I see that I sell a valve, or I see a valve that I want, or widget, or something like that, or a tool. And what inevitably happens is that those tools get, there's a new version. Just like software gets new versions, new cameras get new versions, and things like that. But I only know the old SKUs or the old attributes of it. How could Product 360 help me in those areas? Because do I need to try to go figure out how to find the new stuff, or?
It's the versioning capabilities.
There's a versioning capability.
Yeah, absolutely. So what it does is it keeps track of the history of the product. And I think here's the fun thing about the product, which is pretty different from customer or supplier information, right? Supplier and customer information have specifically defined set of attributes, right? Customer name, last name, address, phone number, pretty fixed set of attributes. Product is unique in that, right? So for example, you take an example of a television versus a camera versus something else, right? Every one of these products have their own set of attributes. Some attributes are common, right? Name of the product and the description of the product, price maybe. But there are a bunch of attributes which are very specific to that particular product. Like the camera we are using here, it has a resolution, it has a focal length, which is not in a bicycle or any other product we talk about.
Right? That would be kind of interesting if a bicycle had a focal length.
Yeah, exactly. So very unique in that each one of these products have their own specs. So you need that flexibility from the platform, which allows you to apply specific attributes to specific set of products, right?
And you keep revision history to those changes too?
We keep the revision history of that. We keep the categorization of that product because it's really critical, right? When you go to, for example, bestbuy.com, right? You want to purchase a camera, what do? You either search or you either then go to those categorization to select, okay, I want technology products. In the technology products, I want...
You could drill down.
Right? You can drill down on that stuff. That categorization of the products is really critical.
So let me throw this, because you hit on something that really... So you mean to tell me that you keep historical information, like for example, let's say this is a Canon G7X Mark II. If I had a Mark I and I had that in my catalog, and now the Mark II's out, there's new attributions to that, but it's still very similar. These cameras will still be in the same category.
Yes, they will.
Right? And attributes for the Mark I and the Mark II would be different. But here's the thing. If the Mark I is deprecated, it's older, but you still have to keep that information, it would it would show the Mark II is available in your catalog?
It will, yeah.
And how about if I change something? Let's say I make a mistake in putting something in the system that says, hey, it's wrong.
Yeah.
If I make a change, I'm thinking about you auditors out there, you guys who are looking to audit things. Does the system have the capability to track what changed and who made those changes?
It's a point in time, right? So you can see what's currently available and also all the historical changes you've done over the period of time.
Oh, see, that's nice.
You can go back and roll in if you want, roll back to the previous version, tag a particular version as like this was the standard version we released in whatever quarter, right? All those things can be done as well as part of that.
That's neat. I mean, I'm sure you follow also industry models that we can import in to do a jump start and all that good stuff.
Yes.
So guys, one of the things that really kicks in here for when we talk about master data management, what we've been impressed with, and that's one of the, I think this is just for me, one of the reasons why I joined this company is because of its depth and understanding of this market. And it's come to, it really has come to where if you could take a party domain, a customer domain, a supplier domain, and a product domain and make those available. Now, the best thing is the flexibility of the market itself. The important thing is it's not just those three domains. You can actually take the same framework and apply it to other areas like location data, financial information. Think about if there's a patient information, right?
It could be, it's that flexibility of the platform, right? We build these pre-built applications, we call them master data fueled applications for you to, because we saw those common use cases across the company, right? Now you can go and build any of those similar apps for yourself, or in the future we will introduce more 360 apps as well. So that's the power of the platform, right? When you have a flexibility, when you have that whole capabilities provided out of the box, right? And you can go do great innovations. The options are limitless for you.
Prash, what you're saying is that the platform is continuously evolving. There's more innovations being put into it. Informatica, guys, just FYI for you, and this is just what I've heard and what I've been talking with the executives, Informatica has made master data management a strategic play.
It is.
Not just a, hey, here's a product. It is a strategic play because while other companies are saying, yeah, we got master data management, when you look at the whole world of data, there's the mastering capability, there's also movement capability, there's the cloud integration capability, there's when you start talking about big data, all of this
is
the
end-to-end capability, Gani. So we have been talking about a while now. The end-to-end capabilities is what customers need, right? When you want to do master data management, it's just never just MDM. It's always MDM, data quality, right? And there's always data movement part included in that,
the integration,
So instead of now going and buying 4 different pieces to make that all work together, go and buy one single thing, right? Which will solve all of that problem. You need to be able to install one thing and have that do the bringing the data from whichever the source where the data is, right? The customer data is spread across many systems. Supplier data is coming from your onboarding applications or whatnot. Being able to do all of that and then apply the quality of the data and then also master and deliver that data to analytics and analytics purposes like Tableau and real-time systems which are directly hooking into that MDM for looking for that clean data. All that capability is available in one single platform is what we focus on, and we call it end-to-end solution.
That's awesome. So guys, I hope, so again, if you haven't done so already, get out there to go out to Twitter and look at, what is it, MDM Geek? MDM Geek at mdmgeek.com. Get out there, look, follow me on Twitter, Garney Bowling, and then we'll, let us know. We would love, put some comments below. We'll answer those best we can.
Answer them.
And things like that. Prash, thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Rock, brother. You are awesome. And you know what, guys? If you like what you see, hit that like button.
Yes.
Most of all,
if you like those like buttons, and ask us what you want next time.
Yeah, exactly.
And we'll do it again.
And if you like what you see, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. I really do appreciate it, because I'm going to be doing more of these things, not with just Prash. I'm going to do more with you, but I'm going to bring in other people to talk about some great technologies out.
Thank you, Gani.
All right, brother.
This is great.
We'll talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.
Peace, guys.